Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject Mathematics Part 2. In Mathematics Part 2 we will study the next part of chapter 3, triangle. First theorem. If the acute angles of a right angle triangle have measures 30 degree and 60 degree, then the length of the side opposite to 30 degree angle is half the length of hypotenuse. See this figure. What is given to us? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree. To prove BC is equal to 1/2 AC. This BC is equal to 1/2 AC. Construction. Take a point D on the extended segment BC such that BC is equal to BD. Draw segment AD. Proof. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, segment BC is congruent to segment BD by construction. Angle ABC is congruent to angle ABD. This angle ABC is congruent to angle ABD. Angles of 90 degree. Segment AB is congruent to segment AB. The segment AB is congruent to segment AB. Common side, and therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by side angle side congruency test. Therefore angle BCA is congruent to angle BDA. BCA, this angle BCA and angle BDA, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. In triangle ABC, angle BCA is equal to 60 degree and therefore angle BDA is equal to 60 degree. Angle DAC is equal to angle ADC is equal to angle ACD is equal to 60 degree. Sum of angles of triangle ADC is 180 degree, and therefore triangle ADC is an equilateral triangle. This triangle ADC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore AC is equal to AD is equal to DC. AC is equal to AD is equal to DC, and therefore BC is equal to 1/2 DC. Here this BC is half of length of DC by construction. We can replace this DC by AC, and therefore BC is equal to 1/2 AC. Theorem number 2. If measures of angles of a triangle are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, then the length of each side containing the right angle is 1 divided by square root 2 hypotenuse. See this figure. What is given to us? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. Measure of this angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle C is equal to 45 degree. To prove AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 divided by square root 2 times AC. Proof. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. Therefore BC is equal to AB. This BC is equal to AB. Reason: converse of isosceles triangle theorem. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. But here BC is equal to AB. Now we put here AB square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Here this BC is replaced by AB. AB square plus AB square, how many times? 2 times AB square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square is equal to 1 half AC square. Taking square root of both sides, AB is equal to 1 divided by square root 2 times AC. And therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 divided by square root 2 times AC. Theorem number 3. In a right angle triangle, the length of the median on the hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. Given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, segment BD is the median. See this figure. Here segment BD is a median, means D is midpoint of segment AC, and we have to prove here BD is equal to 1 half AC. This BD is equal to 1 half AC. Construction. Take point E on the ray BD such that B dash D dash E and length of BD is equal to length of D. Draw segment EC. Length of BD is equal to length of D and draw segment EC. Proof. In triangle ADB and triangle CDE, triangle ADB and triangle CDE, segment AD is congruent to segment DC. Segment AD is congruent to segment DC. D is midpoint of segment AC. Angle ADB is congruent to angle CDE. Angle ADB is congruent to angle CDE. Pair of vertically opposite angles. Segment BD is congruent to segment DE. Segment BD is congruent to segment DE by construction, and therefore triangle ADB is congruent to triangle CDE. ADB is congruent to triangle CDE by side angle side congruency test. Angle DAB is congruent to angle DCE. DAB is congruent to angle DCE. DCE. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Segment AB is congruent to segment CE. Segment AB is congruent to segment CE. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Segment AB is parallel to segment EC. This segment AB is parallel to segment EC. Alternate angle test. Now in triangle ABC and triangle ECB, segment AB is congruent to segment CE. Segment AB is congruent to segment CE. Angle ABC is congruent to angle ECB. Angles of 90 degree. Segment BC is congruent to segment BC. This is common side between these two triangles. Common side. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ECB by side angle side congruency test, and therefore segment AC is congruent to segment B. Segment AC is congruent to segment B. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles, and therefore BD is equal to 1 half AC. BD is equal to 1 half AC. Example number 1. The length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 15. Find the length of median of its hypotenuse. See this figure. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD is a median. In a right angular triangle, the length of the median of the hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. BD is equal to 1/2 AC. BD is equal to 1/2 AC. BD is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 15. Therefore, BD is equal to 7.5. Thank you for watching this video.